Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video we're going to be learning how you can create flashback effect in CapCut. So as you can see, the effect and this looks something like this. So we're going to be recreating that. For that, what we're going to be doing is first going to importing two videos onto our timeline. There is this lady thinking, which looks sad, and there is a video on top which is the kids, which represent that she misses the days when they used to play around. So I'm going to be making a cut between the videos, and after that we're going to be applying an effect called backlit focus. So simply paste it above, and as you can see, now we have this transition. And now for the second video we're going to be decreasing the saturation. So head over to adjustment from the top right side of your screen and click on adjustment and just decrease the saturation all the way down. And now we have this black and white which represent a dream. So as you can see, now this looks dreamy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.